Boaters Net would like to offer a 1998 Monterey Model 236 Cuddy Cabin powerboat for sale. The boat currently resides in Vidor, Texas, and the asking price is $11,500. The boat has a Mercruiser V8 motor with approximately 310 horsepower, cruising speed of 40 knots, maximum speed of 55 knots. Has a bimini top with a cover, 6-speaker sound system, porta potty, sink, queen size bed in the cuddy cabin, storage space under the floor for fishing poles or ski equipment. Comes with a load right galvanized trailer. Pictures don't do justice to the boat. For more information and pictures, visit boatersnet.net.